Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Dulcolax Pink Laxative. Dulcolax Pink Laxative, that's right. Now, everybody, every now and then, at time to time, gets a little clogged up a little bit. I mean, it's just a natural part of life, and sometimes it's just necessary to get a little help being regular, so to speak. Yeah, so not too long ago, I had a little issue where I was getting constipated, and it was really, really bothering me because, you feel bloated and it's just uncomfortable and it's just not good. You're not feeling right. So I needed something. I knew I didn't need something really drastic, like a real harsh laxative to make me feel like I just couldn't go anywhere. I just stay close to the bathroom. I didn't want anything like that. I needed something mild, and I needed something that was good for, people with maybe sensitive stomachs, because my stomach gets irritated real easy if you put something bad in it that it doesn't agree with. So I tried this, and it was very, very gentle, and it's very, I would call it more of a stool softener versus a laxative, because you don't really feel like, oh God, I gotta go to the bathroom, I gotta go. It's not like that. Yeah, I mean, once it starts to work, you feel like, oh, I have to go, like you would normally. Like your bowel movements have become normal now, and you just got to go like you normally would have to go. But when you go this time, it will be much easier, much softer, no crazy straining or anything like that. Everything should move very smoothly. And that's how it was for me. Yeah. I would take 2 tablets. 2 tablets did the job. Basically, I would take 2 tablets right before I went to bed, because it takes a few hours to actually, get into your system and, start working. So when I woke up in the morning, I was ready to go, and I was very satisfied. It felt great to be able to, to feel regular again. And it did the job. It really did. And I was very happy with the experience. And I hadn't had to use it. This happened a few weeks ago. And actually, it happened to me and it happened to my wife. So we both needed to use it. You can see that 4 tablets are missing. She had 2 and I had 2. So it hasn't been that long since we've actually used this. But I've only had to use it once, and I haven't had a problem since. It really got me going again, and it made everything flow just like it was supposed to. Yeah, each tablet has 5 milligrams in it of the medication, and it does wonders. It really does. And like I said, it's very gentle, and it's not like a harsh laxative. I mean, I know there's certain situations where some people are that clogged up where they do need the real strong stuff. This is not for you if that's what you need. This is just for you have an occasional constipation issue that, that can be treated, very easily. If you take 2 of these tablets and you still haven't produced a bowel movement or anything after, say, a day, this is not for you. So, but it works very well. I used it and I had no problem with it. It's really good. if you wanted it even more laxed, you could just take one tablet and you'll get half the experience, but maybe that's all you need. Yeah, it's more of a stool softener, like I said, but it's good. It works very well, and I was very pleased with the experience, and I'll use it again. Yeah, this is gonna last me a little while though, because I don't get like this that often, thank God. But yeah, it will relieve all your constipation issues. I'm glad I used it. Okay, well, that is the Dulcolax Pink Laxative. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.